I'll show you how to add money into your Revolut account from your bank account. There's a couple of different ways to do this, so we'll go through all of the process. Firstly, we need to open our Revolut account. Down in the bottom, you want to go to the Home tab, and then on the left-hand side, it says Add Money. Now, there's a few different ways to add money into Revolut, and so I'll show you them here. So this is the process that I went through. Firstly, it says, how do you want to add money? Now, we're going to choose the banking options, but you can also pay via a card. So if you have Apple Pay or Google Pay, you can use your debit card to move the money, and it's pretty seamless as well. So if you want to do that, you can. We're going to focus on transferring in from a bank. If you scroll down here from these options, you'll see that you can deposit money from a bank via two different methods. One is a regular bank transfer, and then the other is an easy bank transfer. Now, if you want to use easy bank transfer, you're going to need the banking app of where you're sending the money from on your phone. It's going to open your banking app on your phone automatically, link the two. You go into the banking app, confirm you want to send the payment, and that's it. It just sends a payment over to Revolut. Now, if you don't want to do that, or if you do online banking, you don't have the app on your phone, then you're going to need to choose a regular bank transfer. Then Revolut are going to give you their banking details, and you can affect that in multiple different ways. So we're going to press regular bank transfer first, and I'll show you this. It's just giving me Revolut's banking details. So the beneficiary, sort code and account number, that's for pounds sterling. Now, if you're sending another currency, for example, euros or something else, it's going to be using the banking system in your country and have the currency for your country as well. So it might be slightly different to this, but essentially they're the banking details that you need. You can go over to your banking website or anything else and say, I'm going to send a manual bank transfer over to these accounts. We're going to go back though, and we're going to choose easy bank transfer as well. If you have the banking app on your phone, it's going to automatically open that for you. It's super easy and it's instant. So when you press easy bank transfer, that takes you through to this screen where, as you can see now, it says easy bank transfer. So it's going to push me to open my banking app. Choose how much you want to deposit. This is important because they will communicate this with your banking app. So choose how much you want to deposit and withdraw from your banking app. So let's say 10 or 20 pounds here, and whatever it is in your currency, it's going to be similar. Just choose how much you want to send over to Revolut. And then from here it says, do you want to kind of agree to being able to transfer some money from your bank on a monthly basis without having to go over to your bank and confirm it. So if you're sending regular payments over to Revolut, what you can do is allow a certain amount each month. You can see a single transfer limit and a monthly limit, and it just doesn't take you over to the app anymore. If you stay within that limit, you basically just in the Revolut app say, I want to transfer this amount, and they'll do it automatically for you without you having to go over to the banking app and confirm it. So if you want to set that up, you can, and you can edit the single and monthly limits if you want and press continue, and then you won't have to constantly go over to the other banking app. But to be honest, it takes like 2 seconds anyway, so it doesn't really matter. So choose that if you want. If you don't want to do it, just press not now. Then from here, it's going to make you choose where you're sending the money from. So if you have your banking app on your phone, choose the bank where you're sending the money from, whichever one, and then it's going to open the banking app for you. Now, as you can see here, I'm going to be sending £10, and it says, we're taking you to your bank. So click that, it's going to take you over to your banking app. Now from here, I can't show you, but essentially your banking app will be open, and it says, hey, Revolut wants you to send money to them. Is that okay? Are you going to confirm this? You can confirm that in your banking app. Make sure that you're sending it from the account in your bank that you want to send it from, and press OK. Once you press OK, it's literally instant. And what happens is it will take you through to this page. This will open in your browser, and this is OK. You just have to press open right here. So open in Revolut, press OK. This is basically a confirmation, I think, that they're doing in your browser. So just press OK. That's going to take you back into the Revolut app. And then from there, that will essentially put that money into your Revolut account. Most banking systems have instant payments these days. I just went through with a test transaction. You can see that money is now in my account. It went through within a second. From here, if you go to more on the right-hand side, you can exchange it for another currency or do anything else with the money within the Revolut app. I'll leave some other helpful guides on Revolut down in the description. Sometimes they do give offers and bonuses if you're a new user, so I'll leave that link below to see if it's running at the time that you're watching this, and some other helpful videos, everything down in the description for you. I'm James, this is Money ZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.